So I got this computer case right here from the same person that I got that computer case off of. And I'm not switching. No, I'm not. Maybe? The thing is that since I already have one that I just got, I don't switch over and then post that video and then post this one. Cause I would just scrap that whole video, maybe post it as is to like a second channel you guys don't know about. I don't know, and then post this one, or give it away to one of you. Nah, I'm not doing that. But this computer case, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I paid $5 for it, which I'm getting steal deals from them. But or I just build it slowly but surely. Heck, maybe. But who knows? Really, no matter how hard I try, I'm still probably gonna end up not using this computer. But if I do, I have a TV that I can use it for. Because that's what this is. That TV now. Or I just have a second computer for streaming, and I have one monitor for that, and then I put a capture card. So that's what I might do. Well, you guys know? Yes, I will. But why do you?
Once again you felt like cut shut.
Shut up.
I'll never let you go.
Anyways, if I do anything computer related, oh wait, no, if I get a if I go from this case to this case, I will let you guys know. Or if I sell it, it'll maybe like a YouTube short. But it's going to be a very nice, solid upgrade if I do. Or I'll probably build it. So I'll probably do like a used computer build for you guys, and this will be like the new case. I don't know. I don't have a lot of money to spend. I barely have any money at all. So it's kind of sad, I know. But yeah. Really, that's it. I'm Laruz. This is a random computer I got, a computer case I got for $5. I'm gone.